Today I'm showing you how to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library error that appears when opening applications or restarting your computer. Let's get started. What causes this error? The Visual C++ Runtime Library error occurs when Visual C++ files are corrupted, program conflicts exist, missing or updated redistributable packages, system file corruption. Method 1. Repair Visual C++ redistributable. Step 1. Open Run dialog. Right-click the Start button in the bottom left corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, click Run. Alternatively, press Windows key plus R together. Step 2. Open Programs and Features. In the Run dialog box, type appwiz.cpl. That's appwiz.cpl. Make sure you type it exactly as shown. Press Enter or click OK. Step 3. Wait for Programs list. A new window opens showing Programs and Features with a list of all installed programs on your computer. Wait a moment for the complete list to load. Step 4. Find Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable. Scroll through the programs list and look for entries that start with Microsoft Visual C++ or Microsoft Visual C++. You'll likely see multiple versions with different years. Step 5. Select a version. Click once on any of the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable entries to select it. Start with the most recent version or the one that corresponds to when your error started appearing. Step 6. Change or repair. With the Visual C++ entry selected, click the Change button at the top of the window. Some versions may show Modify or Repair directly. Step 7. Click Repair. A new window appears with options. Click Repair to start fixing the Visual C++ installation. This scans for corrupted or missing files and repairs them automatically. Step 8. Grant administrator permission. A user account control prompt appears asking if you want to allow changes. Click Yes to grant permission. Step 9. Wait for repair. The repair process begins. You'll see a progress bar showing initializing, then repairing. This takes 1 to 3 minutes. Don't close the window during this process. Step 10. Repeat for other versions for all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable versions in your programs list. Repair each one individually to ensure all versions are fixed. Step 11. Restart computer. After repairing all Visual C++ versions, restart your computer. Click Start, Power, Restart. This applies all repairs and clears any temporary errors. Step 12. Test applications. After restarting, try opening the application that was showing the error. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Microsoft Visual C++ Runtime Library error using the repair method or fresh installation.